a Chinese-built underwater tunnel in Bangladesh, is deemed a monument project by all walks of life, as it has upgraded transportation infrastructure and spurred economic advancement for the South Asian country. Situated approximately 242 kilometers to the southeast of the capital city Dhaka, the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Tunnel is the first in Bangladesh and South Asia, which has been put into use for nearly 2 months.
এই টানেলের যে উপকারটা আমরা পাবো সেটা হচ্ছে এই টানেলের কারণে বাংলাদেশে আমি মনে করি পর্যটন ক্ষেত্রে একটা বিশাল সম্ভাবনা খুলে যাচ্ছে।
The project has genuinely transformed my life for the better. It's not just about career achievement, it's about personal growth, learning, and the immense satisfaction that comes from contributing to something for the development of our country.
Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Tunnel is the first tunnel in Bangladesh and the first ever under river tunnel in Bangladesh for road communication in South Asia also. It will connect Chattogram with Cox's Bazar, Teknaf and Matarbari through an alternative route. This tunnel will play a great role in improving our country's economy.